Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Kaamita sangma bat ki bahayang hasam jong ka kong Agnes Karshiyeng nega singi ka sautarik uno pra arjar kharpra kilalek IT daga jingtho shaw menteri rangba ka jalla u Conrad K sangma bandawa na ka sarkar ban IT ya ka jingtoket sya ka Central Bureau of Investigation halor ka jingsha thambor jong ka amita sangma bat ka kong Agnes Karshiyeng hakipait bhor ha ka pratarik bunai bladep hakashnong tuber so shri ka bahap hapo upur sam jong ka East Giant Hills District. Kani ka jingkerpat jong ka amita sangma bat ki bahayang asam jong ka kong Agnes Karshiyeng yaw menteri rangba ka jala kalong hadian ba ka jingyalang jong ka kunhon menteri ka sarkar jala kalathung da ka jingtokit balai loj halor kani ka jingja. Uba John F. Karshiyeng upara jong ka kong Agnes ha ka jingya kren bat kilar patay kubor ulaong ba ka jingdawa ya ka sarkar bakan IT ya ka jingtokit siya ka Central Bureau of Investigation kalong namar ba Kimdon Satya ka jingshania ya ka jingtokit balathung da ka sarkar jala da ka ba ainuk saru na ki jingja ki baladep ki balaja ha ki jingsha penyap jong uba poi penhon majau uba Pearly J Marbanyang bat kiwei
Ni wan manbu ikani ka jikerpat ahmad chief minister ban banyo ya ka ayu ka jintokit daga CBI ni ai kumleiru ya government bakila kersyang ya ka jik sumar jui kong Agnes kong amita lengba kan digrims ni ai kumleiru ya sokar bakila menjur manbu daga independent ka jintokit ka ba klem yang independent pro Tihenrai ni nagayeng naboro arli yang ni soba aban pet igi jingtokit ki mencua kamtam ka barang suja dang sian chung poi penhon majau how much ka khandai anajar ka pra nata Pearly Stone Joshua Marbanyang sub inspector joko patakma mauru lalap yu haga hadin bulu apat laipu artiliki trok doyong But yang katu kaki sendiri lah thok ba COVID suicide. Mo punya kita dari medical report ki on kumoi. De susu ni penkemau ba hakaju area stai. Kun jung dolai ilaka no clean. Ula syak penyap. Mo syak penyap tang gini jat kami. De but kita ki cintok kit baro ki yan hakati jung ki state agencies kami ki bor kulit. Makin pat jumlah position sini. De Wat ketua mukhap ni kentho andri minister ong bakatur pelajar tu pot tingi subat ong ba banyo biang ka jingshania jugi paiba banwara biang ka jingshania jugi paiba haki bo ha ka ding jingtokit ini jakap banwara biang ka jingshania jugi paiba berladan kam banyo ada jingtokit dari CBI maka CBI ka investigation kan dandu ka charge kan penkut Jadi inquiry undang hak submit inquiry syaga sokar di sokar kilaban kelaban penting biar sebagai inquiry balong bukan untuk kita kimpun yang kami inquiry kayak sebagai dan dari kadang CBI kami kan mungkin lapang kan pada ikan bah dan betah mungkin jadi ben syak stop kan bah
Nakaliang ka amita sang mga kalapan pawi ka jing sngokya halor ka jing bum kem ki pulet ya u nidamon shulet ubalong uway na kibadon kti hakmat hakatay kasngi ban tombor ya ka bad ya ka kong Agnes hakasnong tuber so shri.
Kaday ban ay ben CBI namar babun ki ay bejad sami jing sisya. Ngam sanya su amdon su kata ka jing sanya bagi ya ki wat kulit ya ro yo ngam tip. Ya le yu ngam tip. Hadu mantakim syakem Kiri saya, kiri don saya, don batik. Nakata ngaku abik tang CBI. Mga itu nangkong wan di daman sulit. Mengi danglap sport ya ubah, upenhap duyong hang tu. Masin penhap duyong mengi layo sendur ya. Tu wan lawan hang tu uong ba ngaku aban keren. Tengi tengi kuat aban keren ikong roong ngam kuat aban keren. Tenang taken puk layawan mi beriu. Arko lai pomut ilayawan tan layawan so ini layawan kerdem adin pat kilisim na dukan kato keding kiwan so ini adu kata da kamauru ya kong Agnes ya kawang ya kerdem da kejat bun ngut bri em di damon sulet runga itu ya kato kan nengu runga itu bala sakem itu runga itu kentai rudon ngila itu ngila pentip ya kulit ban kem nang bau ni damon sulet ada mun tadang ja kerteng ngam tip kedur ngai tu ep nang kong ngili sondur ko wai kamadan te hadin pat la dep sondur mengili no ha polis tana te mengimu depan security ban ai yang ban li check kedu yong te pulit ki ong bang tum dan pulit te ngi wan phai no hadin pat lawan phai hang tu badon ko wai kamadan ki ong kong ong na ke ngam tip kerteng te mengili satu la di situ truk gun September bidon nang tu gila sondur la dep sondur mengiwan kai no nang tu rubru la ya don ketilang nang tu ba don ketu koi ke ying kongong yasna gitu nong tre imat itu ru ya mi ke kata po tang ba kim bong ei kata po ta hatin pat ni lawan kai nang tu don koi ke kenthai mengi ba wan da gypsy ang tapat hadin mangi klempet mangi wan bai no lenti la jong lawan hang tu sosri tengi i kali na lenti dan trok te katu trok ni i tengi muli sendur te ngi muli sendur anta te mangi lilap no yani damon katu trok benang pong bengi sendur nang ta la pen kendria sawai te la da mangi lilap sang tu te kaju ke nombor kaju ke kali hang ta kani damon lawan mi te ong ya keren tengi ko ban keren ngi pantang security bani le check doyong namar badalit mangi sano rungi lelang bat pulit ngim julet marwai te kiyong bom tan pulit satu ban lelang bat ni layami
ni sokmen ba ila yo kajing rap ko bala na ka e ka baja platrik bat ka e ka balong ka bet ka phat ngi mata ka lalong ka kajing rap ko bala mo ni na kayeng bro hoy ni tap lo sing sungu ya ka nigrims ya ki doktor ni staff jong ka nigrims amar lemda de bale maki kai ka bakila le kamot kan jin la long da gumai bo ma ipoi ru hospital ha padengka jing bom dan shu bas te la long ka ba ba chuat mai doktor tu ti rei nu do bor blade ko bor jing ki doktor tu bo ka la ban you long out of danger dan chu jing ba sa stang ka jing suman ban nang wan pha ka ba you ju i ke bo te ni mention tu ka ban oi fi ha ni sti ba ni kedo ha ni sti ba ka khubor jong ka shlom time sa ka pra tarik khandai tarik ka kransha ya artlik jingja ka wei jingja ka de jong ko alas ka wei jingja ka de shpang pu wei bat sang walang no ilam jong tu ka seng biam te kalau very shocking yang ba ki ba kno bu ka keren ya ka ka baja ha ka te ga administration ang tu mo da jer ki teng ki brio ba ka ka bala jaya te ka tahi kan ka perlu ka jingar tati ni ngi ban mundur ba kan the state agencies ban inquiry gani ko kalong be te sa ko wi ko ba ka inquiry ka di tang ka report ada ka one ka investigation da CBI ka don ka bor ban charge sheet ban arrest ban le ka kumata ta ko ada di tang da independent inquiry ka don ka JPR ban inquiry ban investigation
u Conrad ke sangma ha ka jing kran bat kilat pathai khubor ula kran shai ba ka sarkar jala kan shimkhia ba kino ki badon khti kin ngat bek hagi khti jong ka ain bat yathoru ba ka sarkar kala dep thongru ya ka judicial inquiry namar ba ka ni ka jing ja ka deiru ka ba kham jirwat hadien ba ka yeng bishar jong ka National Green Tribunal kala penjari ya ka jing khang banti bat shalan doyong na ka ni ka jala
requested that a CBI inquiry should be put in to this entire incident that took place. I told them that the government's intention is to have a completely independent inquiry. We will not have anything to do with the inquiry as such. And once this decision has been made, we are in fact having a meeting shortly to decide on how we'll move forward with that. We had initially decided that we will go ahead with a judicial inquiry because we felt that the entire scope of the investigation is broad and it needs to get into all the details, including the entire background as to why this happened and other incidents that took place, in fact, in the last few years. So therefore, we felt that the true picture would only be out when we could have an inquiry that is very broad in nature. And that is why we felt that a judicial inquiry would be able to look into all those aspects. So therefore, but since they have put in this request, definitely we'll discuss with other cabinet colleagues and with our home department, and we will take a call. We are not closing the chapter, nor are we saying that we're going to do it, but we'll examine the matter. But I think the most important part, whether it's any kind of inquiry, I think most important is that it should be independent in nature. And so therefore, that is what our purpose is, and that's what our goal is, to ensure that it's going to be independent. And I can assure everybody that we will have an independent inquiry. So we have been very clear from day one, and in fact, you must have also noticed that a number of arrests have been made. The government, from our side, we've been very clear that there will be no interference into any kind of investigation taking place, and every arrest or anybody who is, pointed out on the basis of evidence, there will be no interference from the government side. So therefore, even in the past few days and weeks, you must have seen that a number of arrests were made, and then suddenly realized that these people had nothing to do with it also. So therefore, the police, in fact, has been very, very aggressively moving on this case. Investigation is taking place at a very fast pace. And regarding individuals who they are pointing out, I think the police is doing its work. And from our side, as I said, we're very clear. We have told police to kindly go and act according to evidence that is there. And police has been doing its job, but there might be certain areas where they may not be able to find the concerned person. But I think the action and the work will continue. So let's hope for the best. Let's see how things move forward. And as the police is moving very aggressively.